And social media site Facebook is now responding to the summons of Delhi Assembly panel with complaints about the social media platform's alleged deliberate and intentional inaction to contain hateful content. Remember, this is about the Delhi riots controversy that the Delhi Assembly panel had summoned the Facebook authorities, but Facebook is now refusing to appear before the Delhi Assembly panel, asking them to take back the notice. It says law and order is under the union government, says they have already responded to the parliament panel. All right, that's the big news coming in. So Facebook officials are refusing to appear before the Delhi Assembly panel. They are questioning its powers, saying that law and order is primarily under the union government. They have already spoken and deposed before a parliament panel. Therefore, no need really for them to be coming for the Delhi Assembly panel that has summoned them, instead asking the summons to be taken back. So that's the big news. Remember, just a few days ago, a Delhi Assembly panel had decided to summon Facebook top officials. They are alleging there was inaction, there was hate content on the Facebook site that could have led to further inciting the Delhi riots in northeast Delhi in the month of March. But for now, it seems that they are refusing to appear. Milan Sharma is joining me on the same for that. Milan, so what precisely is the reason that top officials of Facebook are saying we don't have to come to the Delhi Assembly panel and you take your summons back?
Well, Pooja, the main reason happens to be that the Facebook has written to the Peace and Harmony Committee of Delhi Assembly and have said that the Parliament is already looking into the questions regarding hate speech and its provocative attempts through Facebook. And that is something that the Ministry of Electronics and Telecommunication is already looking into. So, since the Parliament has that charge of law and order, the Facebook committee and members are already answering to them. And meanwhile, the Delhi Peace and Harmony Committee was formed just for the very fact that they wanted to investigate the charges that Facebook did promote hate speech during the Delhi riots that occurred earlier this year. And Raghav Chadha, who's the head of the committee, has said that the fact that the Facebook authorities have refused to appear before it, despite being issued summon, comes under contempt. And they would be issuing another notice to Facebook to appear before the Delhi Assembly Committee. And if not, then an appropriate action will be taken against them. Pooja.
Milan, thank you so much. Keep tracking all the latest. So for now, there will not be a Facebook official reaching to the Delhi Assembly saying they've already deposed before the Parliament panel.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.